visible.
Yes, thank you, Amina, for useful and informative presentation. I will start with my presentation. Once again, very warm, safe, quarantined. Good morning to everybody. I'm not reviewing, I'm discussing an article today. This article has been referenced on my first and my last slide. So those of you who find it interesting, you can just click on that link and you can read the whole article at leisure whenever you wish to refer to it. So ये आज का मेरा presentation लिज हुबर नाम के productivity consultant का लिखा हुआ article है and इन्होंने 8 points बताया है. Dr. Liz talks of eight productivity points to help us stay focused on what we want to achieve. So I will be walking you all through these 8 pointers. The first point that Liz talks about is focus on what matters to you. So एक और productivity consultant है David Allen. उन्होंने कहा you can do anything but not everything. Problem क्या होता है कि जब हम जोश में आके सोचते हैं कि हम सब कुछ कर लेंगे, हम सब कुछ संभाल लेंगे, and we try to juggle, we try to do multiple things at the same time. Neither are you a Superman nor am I a Superwoman. We can't do everything. So the first suggestion is please prioritize. So आपके prioritization में या important चीज आपके लिए जो है वो article में कहा है कि 3 रखिए. But from my experience, I'm saying max 2 things you try to focus on. Maybe one personal and one professional. I'm assuming personal के लिए for all of us, our health goals are a priority, and therefore we are connected in this meeting right now. And if they are not, well, they should become your priority because we are all bariatric patients and we cannot take our health for granted. So prioritize what is important to you so that you can eliminate the junk, what is not important. So in this point, she says, learn to say no. Because when we say no to things that are not our priority, we are automatically creating time for what is important to us. And एक उन्होंने question पूछा है कि do you want to try to please everybody or do you want to do what is important to you? So the first meta habit is focus on what is important to you, and you can do anything, but you cannot do everything. So that's the first pointer. From this, I'm going to the second habit. There are 8 habits. This is the second one. Remove all internal conflicts from your life. So what this point is saying is, हमें खाजा खाना भी है और हमें खाजा रखना भी है. You know, we want to have the cake and we want to eat it also. So I want to lose weight, but I want to have my pizza or my burger or my fries. I want to lose weight, but I'm feeling lazy to exercise. So ये जो है ना, ये contradictory goals है. I cannot eat junk food and still lose weight. I cannot not exercise and still be healthy. I cannot miss my supplements for months. एक दो बार महीने में हफ्ते में एक बार छूट गया गलती से, ठीक है, but I can't skip my supplements for months and say my immunity is going to be high. So these are contradictory goals. We cannot, and this contradiction or contradictory goals creates conflict in our head because then हमें ये भी करना है and both can't go together. So remove all internal conflict from your head. Decide what you want so that you can focus on what you want and you can avoid the rest. This is the second meta habit that Dr. Liz Huber talks about in this article that we are discussing today. The third meta habit she talks about is MIT. Okay, MIT is not the prestigious institution here. MIT is about doing the most important thing. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट है बिकॉज उन्होंने क्या कहा है आर्टिकल में कि हमारा जो सुबह का टाइम रहता है, अर्ली मॉर्निंग टाइम, वो हमारा सबसे ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिव टाइम रहता है और हम जाने अनजाने में वो टाइम गवा देते हैं. वी मिस आउट ऑन आवर मॉर्निंग आवर्स. तो सुबह उठ के पहले मैं तो आधा घंटा व्हाट्सएप देखूंगी, सबको गुड मॉर्निंग, यहाँ के फॉरवर्ड्स वहाँ, वो ग्रुप के फॉरवर्ड्स यहाँ. इट्स ऑल अनप्रोडक्टिव, वी आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम. या we just laze around, या we just do gossip, या we make phone calls, we correspondence, check on mails. तो हम सुबह का टाइम वेस्ट कर देते हैं एंड बाय द टाइम इट इज लंच टाइम हमें थोड़ी सुस्ती आ जाती है. पोस्ट लंच फिर हमें या तो टीवी देखना है या तो कुछ टाइम पास करना है. इवनिंग इज अगेन व्हाट्सएप टाइम, नेटफ्लिक्स, हॉटस्टार, Amazon प्राइम, सब कुछ अभी हमारे घर पे है. So what this article is suggesting is MIT, मतलब focus on your most important thing early in the morning. I try to do this. So my strategy I'll share with you is I have to do my workout or my exercise in the morning. इसके दो reasons है. One is this article MIT, मैं सुबह मेरा ये exercise खत्म कर लूँ, so that I don't run the risk that I'm feeling lazy to not do it in the evening. नहीं तो मैं शाम को, अगर मैंने शाम को miss कर दिया तो my day is gone, I've not done my exercise. For some reason, if you miss it in the morning, you still have the evening to compensate so that you don't miss out on your exercise on that. So focus on the most important things early in the morning. जो भी आपका life goal है, जो भी आपके लिए जरूरी है, health goals or even otherwise, सबसे पहले सुबह उठ के वो काम निपटा दो, then you're free for the day बाकी सब चीजें करने के लिए. Remember, most people are there at their mental best and physical best early in the morning. So early morning time is the most important thing. Let's move on to the next habit that we are talking about right now. And the next habit is about obsessively curating your input. Curate your input. This is the fourth point. Liz says, garbage in, garbage out. पूरा दिन हम किस टाइप के inputs absorb कर रहे हैं. Now she is not against YouTube. She is not against entertainment. She's not against gossip. She's not against venting out negativity. It's all fine. लेकिन पूरा दिन आपको दिमाग में क्या inputs जा रहे हैं? Okay, so obsessively curate your input. Make sure you're giving access to those people, more access to those people in your life who are giving you positive messages, encouraging words, motivating talks, and not continuously cribbing, complaining, bickering, sulking, brooding, ranting. ये बहुत नेगेटिविटी क्रिएट करता है. चाओ चाओ चाओ, ये नेगेटिव थॉट से हमारी भी मेंटल एनर्जी खत्म हो जाती है या हम भी निराश हो जाते हैं. सो प्लीज ध्यान रखिए. आप दो चीजें, एक तो मीडिया, व्हाट मीडिया एक्सपोजर यू हैव इन टर्म्स ऑफ फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस, एंड सेकंड इज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल यू आर सराउंडिंग योरसेल्फ विद. So please avoid garbage into your head because garbage in is garbage out. So curate or if required, monitor the kind of input you are giving into your mental health. आप किस टाइप के आर्टिकल्स हैंडी रखते हो? मैं आज सुबह जब ये प्रिपेयर कर रही थी स्पीच, मैंने लिखा आपसे शेयर करने के लिए कि मैं अपने इनपुट्स कैसे कंट्रोल करती हूँ. जब मैं थोड़ा लो फील करती हूँ तो मेरे फोन में मैंने हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस नाम का एक फोल्डर बना के रखा है. आई गो एंड विजिट दैट फोल्डर 5 minutes 10 minutes, लेकिन मुझे वो बहुत मोटिवेटिंग लगता है. मैंने कोई आर्टिकल्स फ्लैग करके रखे, लाइक दिस ऑथर, तो इनके और भी बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स हैं इंटरनेट पे, हाउ टू कीप योरसेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, हाउ टू स्टे मोटिवेटेड. So go back and access the positive input that is available in your life. Stay away from negative energy that further discourages you. ये point number 4 था. अब मैं 5th point पे जा रही हूँ. ये मेरा favorite point है. This is the most favorite from all the 8 points for me. इसमें self talk का importance बताया गया है. So she says, Liz says, train your brain to get what you want. And she has quoted another therapist, ये मैरिस पियर करके ग्रेट ब्रिटेन की बेस्ट थेरेपिस्ट है. she has quoted her and Maris says, your mind does what it thinks you want it to do. So basically this point, meta habit, is talking about self talk. We are constantly engaging in self talk. Your mind is always listening to you. So when I say I'm craving for that pizza, my mind is also listening to that. Oh, I'm craving for that pizza, and then I want more of it. Instead, if I say it's junk, it's not good for me, I know that, and I can resist few minutes of temptation or few seconds of pleasure for my long-term goal because I want to achieve it. My mind is also listening to that. So what kind of self-talk are you feeding into your head? Your mind is always listening to you, and your brain is designed to give you what you want. So stay focused on your goal. catch your self talk, okay, and change your self talk today. मैंने ये भी मतलब share करने के लिए लिख के रखा है, like what is the kind of negative self talk sometimes I go through. So if I miss my diet or regime, I feel dejected and I say I've failed so many times and I just can't do this. So ये negative self talk, I change it to I have failed does not mean I will always fail. I can keep trying and keep learning from my mistakes. That's a positive self talk. ये थोड़ा सुनने में अजीब लगेगा सबको, लेकिन ये जो बुलेट पॉइंट नंबर 4 है, सेकंड लास्ट बुलेट पॉइंट है इस स्लाइड पे, ये सच है. एज अ ट्रेन्ड साइकोथेरेपिस्ट आई कैन टेल यू दिस, that you can actually train yourself to feel the way you want to feel. You can train your mind to even feel your emotions, because emotions don't come from your heart. Dil dhak dhak karne laga, it's only on Bollywood, it's not in reality. Our reality, our brain generates our emotions, okay? So we can actually train our mind to feel what we want to feel. This is all about self-talk. This is meta habit number 5. I'm going to the 6th one, which the meta habit is become accountable for the promises that you make to yourself. Okay, people, we all make promises and we keep breaking them, but this meta habit is about accountability. Okay, so you can increase your accountability by having a coach. Okay, have an accountability partner, have an accountability coach, have a group. The best is our support group. Our SGM is an accountability partner to each other. Raise those stakes by creating negative consequences. क्यों हम जब छोटे बच्चे थे तो गलती करते थे तो हमें पनिशमेंट मिलती थी, हमने बहुत कुछ वैसे ही सीखा है. So we can create punishment for ourselves if we are not following our regime. Of course, it has to be reasonable. It cannot be unreasonable. लेकिन आप negative consequences या punishment strategies भी बनाइए. The punishment strategy should be practically possible. जैसे आज मैंने थोड़ा सा मेरे diet से deviate किया, and then I'm going to sacrifice or give up on my favorite TV program. Half an hour मेरा जो TV watching time, I'm not going to watch TV because I did something which I don't want to do today. So create artificial negative consequences or punishments. Also create success triggers. Success triggers are rewards. अगर आप खुद को punish करते हो तो आपको खुद को reward भी करना चाहिए. We are very strict sometimes with ourselves, so we have to reward ourselves. लेकिन ये बहुत जरूरी है कि मैं clarify करूं कि the reward should not contradict your goal. My goal is weight loss. I cannot reward myself a candy as a feel good because it's going against my goal. So my reward could be buying a nice book, or my reward could be watching TV for half an hour, or my reward could be something that is not related to weight gain. So your reward cannot go against your goals. ये जो last point है, it talks of some apps. We can have some apps on our phone which are habit trackers. Okay, so we could look at some of these apps. I'm not recommending any because I'm not using those apps, so it's not right for me to recommend something without using it. But ये article में उन्होंने examples दिए हैं. You can use some apps. I have added this Sinfield method. Sinfield, like, he's a world famous comedian, Jerry Sinfield. So the technique has been named as Sinfield method after Jerry Sinfield, the comedian. So what this Sinfield method is, you create a chain and you don't break the chain. So it's as simple as in your wall calendar. So I have got 3 things in my goals. One is exercise every day. Second is appropriate diet and nutrition. And third is supplements. So the day I'm doing all these 3 things, I'm putting a bright fluorescent or bright big permanent marker, say tick mark on that date on the calendar. So when you start doing it 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, it creates a chain of these positive tick marks. And the Sinfield method is your entire focus is on not letting that chain break. So I want 1 month to go without a cross, which means every day I'm doing my supplements, my appropriate diet, and my exercise. These are my goals. You can create your own goals. The 7th, which is the second last meta habit, is stick to your habits long enough to fall in love with them. Now there is a bad news here. The bad news is the earlier research, I think I used to quote Stephen Covey, The earlier research was it takes 21 days to make a habit, but this author Liz, she has come up with the more latest research, think 66 days. It takes 66 days to make a habit. Okay, now I don't want to scare you or scare me, but yeah, it's a fact कि कुछ भी नया शुरू करते वक्त हमें आलस, सुस्ती, कंटाला ये सब लगता, we feel lazy to get into a new routine. लेकिन if we condition ourselves with all the earlier points, make yourself accountable, okay, decide on your priorities, do the most important thing in the morning, अगर ये सब हम earlier meta habits के points follow करते हैं तो हम इसको habit बना सकते हैं. इसमें जो second last point है ये बहुत practical है, मैं ये use करती हूँ, so I can share it with you. There is another productivity consultant whose name is Mel Robbins. Second last bullet point on this slide. He's also a therapist. So Mel Robbins has come up with a 5 seconds rule. 5 seconds. He says, when you think your mind is going to talk you into laziness and into inertia, just count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just count till 5 and get up and do what you're supposed to do. Do not let your mind trick you into talks. So that's the 5 seconds rule by Mel Robbins. People, it works. I'm using it, so I can tell you it works. I'm also using another 20 seconds rule, but that's on a different topic. There is a concept of decluttering and minimalizing. So I'm trying to minimalize and practice minimalistic living and decluttering. So usme 20 seconds rule hai. So whatever, if you need to declutter and keep your house clean, whatever needs to go in the right space, if it takes less than 20 seconds to do that right now. Similarly, this is a 5 seconds rule. Just get up when you're feeling lazy for exercise. Just count till 5, get up. Don't do the thinking. If you start doing the thinking, your mind will trick you into the negative self-talk. Ultimately, after a few days of habit, you start feeling good about taking care of yourself. I'm going to the second last. I'm sorry, this is the habit number 8. So this is the last point. I'm going to the last point. Sharpen your saw to ensure consistent peak performance. Okay, I don't have to introduce Abraham Lincoln. I'll just use his quote. You give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 hours in sharpening the axe. Here, our sawing of the axe is our body, mind, and soul. Earlier in our presentations, we have already looked at food, exercise, and supplements. I will just add one point to that. Also sleep, important sleep. Sorry. When we are looking at our mind, focus on goal setting, reviewing your goals, and rewarding the right behaviors. This is my last slide, which is the recap of all the earlier points. Yes, I'm done with my presentation.